grammar of BEKIDA. The grammar of BEKIDA is mean should do something or must do something. So how to use? In Japanese, when you use the BEKIDA, when you use the verb, you should change the verb to the dictionary form. But the special case, the verb suru, you can use suru bekida or su bekida. For example, shinpai suru bekida, or you just say shinpai su bekida. So this is the special case, so you have to remember. And for when you use the adjective with beki, you should cut out the e out of the adjective and end by ku aru bekida, something like this. For example, atarashiku aru bekida, something like this. And for the na adjective, you not end by na, but you end by de aru. For example, kirei na de aru bekida, something like this. So you have to remember that when you use the verb, you have a special case for the suru verb. So you can use both suru or subeki. And for the adjective, you can end both by aru. For example, the adjective you end by ku aru, and for the na adjective you end by de aru bekida. So the meaning, the deep meaning of the BEKIDA is mean that you should do something or you must do something. Or it should be like this, it should be like that. He should do like this, he should does like this, something like this. So to make more understand, let's go to see some example. 私はそれについてもっと知るべきだ。私はそれについてもっと知るべきだ。Which means, I should know more about that. I should know more about that. 約束は守るべきだ。約束は守るべきだ。Which means, you should keep your promise. You should keep your promise. 早く帰宅すべきだ。早く帰宅すべきだ。You should go home early. You should go home early. In this case, you can use 早く帰宅するべきだ。Or you just use 早く帰宅すべきだ。You can use the both. Because 帰宅 is the する verb, so you can use both すべき or するべき。The next example. 真実を言うべきだ。真実を言うべきだ。You should tell the truth. You should tell the truth. Thank you very much for watching my video clip. And please help me subscribe my channel if you haven't. I hope to see you about learning Japanese in the next time. ありがとうございました。